Guys.
What is the word,
Yeah.
Sanjay?
Let's hear.
Monty, besides being my brother-in-law, which I you know what?
With his deep throat.
He's a great friend of mine. I look at Monty beyond as a brother-in-law, anything,
That you
as
do.
a friend.
Yeah.
And that relationship is far great.
That's more special.
He's a great guy, which I have never been able to understand today.
I knew that was coming.
I have known him for so many years. I played cards with him, I played tennis with him, cricket,
Oh yeah.
golf, and now golf. And now golf.
Only sporting activities, Sumit.
Yeah, so many sporting activities. And I still haven't figured the guy out. And I've been asking everybody, has anybody?
I've been known so many times that morning.
There are few signs of his when he does this or when he does that. Over the years we've deciphered about him. But in the end of the day, he's a great guy, a great friend, and I tell you what, whenever you need to talk to somebody, another friend, he's that.
I've only started. I started with him.
No, I still wanted to get up and...
कम नहीं बोलता है.
Started with him.
कुछ तो
तेरे बारे क्या भाई
अच्छा, get up and say, Goldie.
Can I say, while sitting down only, that from his 40th birthday till today, I'm the only constant.
Bindu, that's her.
But Bindu, your scene is with Latika.
Yeah. Mother, you're trying to make it with Monty as well.
Okay, now Goldie.
I started with it, so
No, but something special, Goldie.
special. All the friends have said loads of things about Mons. Mons? कितने बजे टाइम है कल सुबह मसाज का? क्या बोलूं?
Massage only.
और इसके बाद क्या है क्या?
Goldie is speechless. Yeah, he's speechless now.
I'm speechless. आप बोल दो ना.
No, say come because you are here.
No, Gayatri want to say something.
No, I will give her the mic.
यार ये मेरा बड़ा भाई है, खड़े हो.
तुम ही switch कर लो इसको.
आप नहीं करें मैं
Don't smooch.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we can't.
All right.
He's my big brother.
Yeah, that is.
How many years?
A few.
Okay, can I ask Sanjay Bhatia to
Talk about his bro-in-law.
What happened? You finished.
because Sanjay Bhatia is the guy who knows Monty from 5 years old.
Actually, Raja Bhatia probably knows it now.
Raja and
He's
Sanjay,
2.5 years older today. I'm sorry, I have to take time in this because
No.
she's actually right. I do know Monty the longest.
The longest, yeah.
Between anyone sitting here.
Okay.
We are cousins if anyone doesn't know. And we are brother-in-laws. That probably happened because of him. Yeah, that I'll take up with you later.
That fuck up you take up later.
We can still see the smile on your face.
I mean, even I'd be upset. No, darling, I'll marry you any day.
Then I'll take up with you sometime later. We go back a long time. From his father and my father. Well, actually, my mother and his mother, because they were first cousins. Our grandmother and his grandfather were real brothers and sisters. My dad and his dad used to stay on the same road in Rawalpindi. And we came down to staying on the same road in Defense Colony.
Fuck, man.
Straight
Excuse me. My torment doesn't end.
Life has strange roads.
We had some great days
Where?
growing up in Defence Colony.
Oh, you're going to be doing
When
the
there
same
was,
things as they-
when things were totally different. And I need to tell you a few things from there. The one I really remember is playing hide and seek in the Oberois.
Excuse me?
We used to go there. We used to go there, about maybe 15, 20 of us every evening. WBG 1836, I think, was the ambassador. Am I right? 1386 or
1926.
1926, something. I mean, the number is somewhere in my mind.
You still have that number.
And we used to go to Oberois to play hide and seek every evening.
20 guys.
Till one, yeah, well, I said 15, 20.
15, 20 guys.
Till one day, Sonny Abbott was asked that, why are you here? He said, my father's in room number 999. And they said, sorry, we don't have such a room number. And there were 20 guys running from every exit of Oberoi. That's one of the stories. The other, which I can never forget.
It's a car one, I hope.
Yes, there was a girl called Ruhi. Rufus Nasrullah may be known to
Now
us.
we're getting there. Now we're
It's
getting
really
there.
fun, it's really fun.
And Dara
I
knows.
want to speak again. Since you're telling stories.
Supplement,
You know, we used to go every evening and I didn't know why. I used to sit in the car with these guys. I was all of maybe 4, 5 years, 6 years old. And we used to go to Pandala Road outside this house and shout from a window from the car, Ruhi, Ruhi. And I didn't know what the hell was going on. This happened very
Are you
suddenly.
innocent babe in the woods? What a bloody lying dog. Say that again.
Lying dog.
I used to
Sorry,
doing
this
that.
happened many times. Till one day, the dad, his chowkidar, everyone was waiting in the jadis. कि ये टाइम शाम को ये कोई रूही बोलने आएंगे वहाँ पे. So this car arrived over there.
And you were trapped.
No, and they told me you go out and shout Ruhi. So I went out of the car, and like a small boy I went and said, Ruhi, till 3 guys jumped out from the jhadi. You know that Gol Chakkar where Taj is? These guys took the car away. And I left 5, 6-year-old guy running behind this ambassador.
You were only 5, 6 years old, boss.
I was only 5 and I was pulled in through a window of the car with my legs out. I still remember that incident.
They've been doing this in the
So, you know, our families went through thick and thin together, and our relationship only grew. And Monty, the great sportsman as he always was, and I think everyone from Defence College was as we grew up, playing from morning till evening. We used to play with shoe boxes in my garage and put sticks, and the cricket that we played there would beat cricket at a lot of level, you know, with a tennis ball, but we did play. And then Monty became the suave man, slowly, and you know, and all the guys used to wonder what's happening to Monty. He's moving away from everyone, you know. He was on his motorbike, and he was, suddenly the man grew up. He lost hair along with that every time he grew up. So we didn't envy him very much that time. But he's a great guy. That's all I would like to say. And I must tell you an incident about this. When I was in college,
You got shortchanged, boss.
when I was in college,
Fuck this shit. Lanka AB got shorted.
you know, by the time I went to college, we had actually, Monty had grown up, I was still growing up, so that little gap had come in the middle.
Still not.
And I was told in college, I had to get an ad for college for a festival. And I didn't know who to go to, and I hadn't met Monty for a long time. And suddenly it came to my mind, I said, you know, let me go and ask Monty. And I went to Monty's house. And he didn't take a second. He said, tomorrow morning, the ad will be with you. I still remember that, you know. It was something that I could always think of, that I could go to Monty and ask him.